Hello everyone, today is May 30th, 2016, and I'll be talking about the Memorial Day and the Veterans Day. Honorable citizens of United States, the calendar day of Memorial Day and Veterans Day is decided with the constitutional law of the United States from the Congressmen of United States. The law of the Constitution of United States has passed other calendar days that enter in the history of the people and the government of United States. These calendar days are true in the history of the people and the government of the United States for those fighters that have lost their lives for the independence of the United States and the rights and freedom of people of the United States. Also for those humanitarian fighters of the United States who have lost their lives to protect the people and other countries of the world. These fighters have not done their duty as an obligation, but have fought with their soul and humanism for the protection of the people of the United States and other countries of the world. These wars that have happened and these humanitarian fighters that have given their lives, the United States government has placed them in the history books of the United States. The Veterans Day is a historical calendar day of the United States. This day is for the veterans, the humanitarian fighters who are alive, that have fought and fight for the rights and freedom of the people of the United States and protect the United States of America and other countries of the world. In the history books of the United States are all the history of the wars of the United States and other countries of the world. These calendar days are specific days that have been decided by the United States Congress with the law of the American Constitution. These historic days are not changed according to the desires and different people because it is damaging to the people and the government of the United States. If these calendar historic days are changed by different people, these people should be punished according to the law of the United States. Now I will recite 3 poems that I have published in my publishing company, Noble Books Publishing in the United States. The first poem is titled The Memory and the New Life. I follow now the waves of the sea, leaving behind all the commotion. I follow it with passion and with wonder, feeling still shaken. I follow this wave of my new life. I ask where it goes, but it doesn't tell. The sea wants to make me a surprise, and this makes me follow it like a spear. The second poem is titled Helping. Many people help us, but many don't understand. Helping is not riches. Is not a hand or a helmet. Helping is a humane sign. It is the true teller. When someone asks for something, it is enough to say the good word. Don't give any bread or money. The third poem is titled To Philosophize. With the unending spirit of a warrior, with the wounded heart of a father, when sand brings you to the gold, with the mastery of a dab, the instincts of desires fuddle you so good, your mind gets lost among the darkness. This magic dust that has spread in a world where different people all life are consuming. The philosophical progress as a thread, how limited is the reminiscence, unseen often becomes the existence. If we all philosophize so much, everything would seem like in a sleep.